Hey everyone, Shift here. So today I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons on why you guys should nitrous your Acura RSX. So the first reason is going to be it's cheap. Nitrous kits go anywhere from around $400 to $600, and with all the other accessories you're still going to be under $1,000. So I've been running nitrous for a little over 2 years and I haven't had any issues with the car. Cheap startup cost considering you can go way 300 horsepower to the wheels on just a nitrous kit. And the second reason is going to be you can do it on a stock motor. You get yourself a wet shot kit, you don't need to do any mods, you don't even need a tune to run nitrous. And the second reason is going to be you can do it on a stock motor. You don't have to have a built block to run nitrous. You can do it on a stock motor. You're just going to have to run a smaller shot. The third reason is going to be you don't need to have a tune. You can run a small shot of nitrous without any tunes on a stock car and you won't have any problems. I did it with this car for about 7-8 months. The biggest shot I ran was a 75 shot on a stock car, no tune, no Ktuner. That was just a stock ECU that I was running, and the car ran fine. I'm tuned on it now, so I run a way bigger shot. Fourth reason is going to be it looks cool. I mean, we've all seen that scene from the Fast and the Furious where Paul Walker's driving in his R34 on the street race and he purges the car, and it just looks, I mean, I think it looks cool. There's our fourth right there. And the fifth reason, at least it's a big deal for me here in California, it's easy to remove. And so if you're just running a stock car on nitrous, you can pretty much make around the same power as a full bolt-on RSX. And to get your smog check, you just take it off. It's just some hoses. Go get your smog and you come back home, you put it back in, and then you're good to go. Go ahead and give you guys a bonus reason. You basically get 2 setups. Whether me, I'm full bolt-ons, so I can just run a full bolt-on car, or if I want to throw another extra, 100, 150 horsepower to the car, I get by throwing a bigger shot of nitrous on it, and then it's a whole different car. It's nitrous. It's like a sleeper car. Nobody's gonna know you're running it unless you tell him. You can pull up to the car next to you. He's not gonna know you're on nitrous unless you purge it in front of him. So there you go. There's 5 reasons on why you guys should run nitrous on your Acura RSX. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll keep posting videos on my RSX, and I also have an STI that I haven't been posting videos on. I haven't had it with me, but I should be getting that car back soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.